Hello everyone, welcome to the channel F&B's Farm. As promised, here's part 2 of the video. I did say yesterday in Saturday's video that I would be planting some of the seeds. I didn't get too many seeds planted, but as you can see in front of you, I have a bread bin, an old bread bin which I don't use, so I decided that I'll put 3 of the trays which I planted inside there for the time being, just to get them started off. I do keep this bread bin inside. I put it on the on top of the fridge in the kitchen last night, and there's a bit of sunlight today out here in Cyprus, but it's very windy, grey skies. The sun did break through earlier this morning, but it seems to have gone away now, but comes and goes. Anyhow, I decided to put it on the table in the balcony here. I'll just show you, just so you can get an idea of what I've been planting. I mean, this is only literally yesterday, so we have what I did was here in this tray we've got sweet corn. So I've got a pack of sweet corn which I bought from the supermarket. I decided just to put, as you can see here, we've got 9 sections here, so I'll put one basically sweet corn in each, and just basically covered them up, watered them using a spray bottle. Here we have 3 different types of peppers, so we've got one in each part here, so we've got each row, so you've got one type there, one type there, one type there. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this row here is the red and green chilies, and the other 2 are green, but they're different types. You see, they're both green in these 2 sections here, but they're different types. And in this 3rd one here, we've got 2 types of tomatoes. So this row was the cherry tomatoes, and the other 2 the standard tomatoes. So basically, that's what I've done so far. Obviously, I do have a lot more to plant. So these in these 2, so the peppers and the tomatoes, I just wanted to say, the seeds I planted were old. They're from like a few years back. Now, because I'm new to this, I'm not particularly 100% sure whether old seeds will actually work. I mean, if any of you got any information on this, please drop me a comment in the comment section below. With the sweet corns, like I said, I just basically took them out from the pack of sweet corn. I tried that previously, so I know that works, but whether they will all shoot up, we'll have to see. But yeah, I decided, because I don't have a greenhouse or some sort of like shelter, proper shelter, I decided I'd just use this for the time being, start them off like this, and yeah, I'll do regular updates, so you can get an idea, and let's see what we can do here. Let's test the waters, see how we get on, and I'll look forward to doing another update. But if you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel, and like the videos that you find useful and informative, and also drop me any comments within the comment section below. Any advice, any tips you may have, you know, it's all useful. I've got lots to learn. We can all learn from each other. That's it now for guys. So yeah, hopefully within the next couple of days to a week, I should be uploading another video. But for the time being, guys, see you soon.